Hi guys, Chris here. So today I will have you looking over my shoulder as I find the most cost efficient way of taking CBD from a selection of 5 products. Let's go. So I found these 5 products. Hemp bombs capsules, an oil tincture from Joy Organics, a tincture extract oil from Leavv, a oil from CBD Distillery, and the flower for vaporizing from Secret Nature CBD. These are 3 different consumption methods. I don't care which the method is, I just want to get the most efficient product and at the best price. Let's figure that out with CBD Plox. That's what it's made for and that's what it should be. Now, I will type all of them into CBD Plox one at a time. Let's go. I want 15 milligrams to take effect. The first one is by eating, as it's capsules, and serving strength and serving per container. Okay, strength 15 and 30 per container. 50 milligrams in a serving, 30 servings per container. Next question, price 56, 59.99. 59.99. And bombs capsules. Finish. Now we have the first results, and I will take these with the headers, and they're especially formatted for this in the email, so that it's easier for you to go here and take these results and pop them into Excel or Google Sheets like this. Let's go for the second product. Joy Organics oil. milligrams oil, milligrams per bottle and milliliters per bottle. 500 milligrams, 30 milliliters. Next question, price and name. Price is $59.95 and Joy Organics. It's doing some calculations. I can hear the sound of grinding gears. And we have the results. I take the same information from here and pop it into Google Sheet. Now, next product, Leavv. Do it again. Start. Email. Still 115. With oil, and it's 725 milligrams and bottle size 15 milliliters. This helps us find the potency percentage of the product. So price of bottle and name of product. Price is 99. Name is Leavv oil. Okay, we have new results, and we also copy this and put it in the sheet. Next up, we have CBD Distillery full spectrum oil. Let's pop it in. Start, email. Still 15 milligrams oil, and the details 500 milligrams, 30 milliliters. Okay. Price is 35. Get the results for CBD Distillery full spectrum oil. pop them into the sheet. I'm sure some of you have definitely worked with a Google Sheet or Excel before, so in here you're gonna be exactly like home. And the last option I have is flower. This is meant for vaporizing or smoking. Of course, smoking is not that wise, so let's say I would vaporize it. And this is the offer that we have. From Secret Nature CBD, they sell an eighth of Fuji herb for $27. Let's see how that would serve us. We do the calculator again. Still 15 milligrams, and this time we vape it. Product potency as percentage, and that is 19.4. Price in unit was 27 for an eighth. Name is Fuji Herb for Vaporizing from Secret Naturals. Secret Nature. Okay, that was the last of the 5, and we take the results from the email. We copy them like this and paste them into the sheet, and voila. Now this is where the real magic happens. We have 5 products across 3 different methods of consumption, and we have all the data about how much of each of these products actually reaches our blood system. The bioavailability is taken into account with CBD Plox, so you can always stay assured that you're getting the right amount that you desire. You're not going to underdose, or you're not going to overdose, if that was possible with CBD using CBD Plox. It's just so easy. Now let's say that the most important thing for me is the price. I want to find out how much it will cost me for 15 milligrams that is effective in my body. And that is here reflected as the price per dose. To figure out how much all of them are and what the cheapest is, I select all of the rows, I go to data, I sort the range according to the column E. Column E and sort. Voila. According to this, Secret Nature Fuji herb as vaporized is the cheapest per dose. And check this out. M-Pump's capsules would cost 10 times more for the same effect than vaporized herb. Of course, there's the convenience aspect we should take into account. Capsules, you can just pop them in and you're done. Vaporizing, it's a bit more of acrobatics you have to do to actually get the effect, but if you're home, it doesn't matter. And the rest of the oils are here somewhere in the middle, and you see the prices clearly and compared to the other options, just like that. But let's say, what if for me the most important aspect is how big is the dose, like in quantity. I want it to be as small as possible. Let's calculate this. For that, we should select all of them again and sort the range via column B. Sort, and here we see. Okay. How many servings? Her servings to consume for desired effect. Now, for this, it's in grams, and for these, it's milliliters. First is flour, and the second are oils, and the third one is capsules. So the result is here. So to get 15 milligrams effective, I should vaporize 0.22 grams of herb. or take this amount of these oils, or take 8.3 capsules of hemp balm. These are the options we have, and you can use CBD Plox to find the results for the products that you desire, that you want to compare, and that you have available in your area. So go nuts with it, really. It's free to use, always will be. So let me know if there's any ways you see that CBD Plox can be better for you, and I will take it into account and see what we can do with our developer. Thank you. Ciao.